Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an image carousel on Bluehost. So just tap on our Safari browser, and before you creating an account you will have to purchase the plan. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after creating your account, log in your Bluehost. And to create an image carousel on Bluehost, you can use a WordPress plugin or the image carousel widget from Eliminator. And image carousel widget, and add the widget to the canvas. Then after, you can follow the 6 steps. And number 1 is select image to add to carousel. Second, click create a new gallery. Third, add captions to images. 4, click insert gallery. And 5th, adjust image size, number of images to show and number of images to scroll. And 6th is choose how to navigate between images. And you can also turn a WordPress and selecting slider from the layout drop-in box. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.